In this section, we're going to look at 4 different types of conditionals. You probably know the first conditional, but we're going to look at it anyway, just so that we can compare it to the second conditional. As always, when you're choosing which grammar to use in English, you should choose the meaning that you're trying to give and then choose the correct grammar. There are many mixed conditionals in English, but it's enough just to learn these conditionals in these lessons, and then you'll be able to understand all mixed conditionals. They will have things like continuous tenses and perfect tenses in them, but be careful, as always, don't translate from your own language. Your own language probably has different rules. The first conditional is all about a future possibility, a real future possibility. This is how we make it. It's if plus subject plus present simple, comma, then subject plus will plus verb. For example, if I pass my exam, I will go to university. A negative sentence looks like this. If I fail my exam, I won't go to university. Don't forget the comma. We can change the two halves around like this. I won't go to university if I fail my exam. Look what happens to the comma. We have a comma when the sentence begins with if, but we don't have one when the if part comes second. Don't write will in the if clause. That's wrong. The meaning is this. If the first condition happens, the action, in your mind, is certain. If you don't think it's certain, you can write may, might, could, or maybe in the second part. Like this. If I pass my exam, I may go to university. Or, if I pass my exam, maybe I will go to university. There is a more formal type of first conditional. It looks like this. Should I pass my exam? Or, should you pass your exam? You may see that, so you need to know about it. Time for some practice. Make logical sentences using the first conditional. Change will to won't where necessary. If she doesn't come, he'll be disappointed. If they go out, they'll get cold. If we leave now, we won't be late. I'll be happy if you marry me, Jennifer. English won't get easier if you don't practice. Notice that there is no comma. If he wins this match, he'll be the champion. If they're careful, they might succeed. Will we play football if it doesn't rain? We can also write, will we play football if it rains? There are 2 answers to this because it's a question and we don't know what will happen. You're ready for a little bit of practice. The first practice PDF in the resources file is about the first conditional. Answer the questions and then check your answers on the answer sheet. Good luck!